Hello everyone. Today we are gonna discuss the topic is organic farming and waste management. Let us see introduction to organic farming and waste management. Organic farming is a holistic approach to agriculture that focuses on sustainability and natural processes. Waste management in organic farming involves minimizing waste generation and maximizing resource utilization. Effective waste management strategies in organic farming contribute to environmental conservation and enhanced soil health. Benefits of organic farming. Organic farming promotes soil fertility and biodiversity conservation. It reduces the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, minimizing environmental pollution. Organic farming enhances the nutritional content and taste of crops, leading healthier food options. Principles of organic farming. Organic farming is based on principles such as a crop rotation, intercropping and companion planting. It emphasizes the use of organic inputs like compost, manure and green manure. Organic farming prohibits the use of genetically modified organisms and synthetic chemicals. Organic waste in farming. Organic waste in farming includes crop produces, animal manure and food processing by products. These wastes can be effectively managed through composting, anaerobic digestion and vermiculture. Proper management of organic waste helps close nutrient cycles and reduces pollution risks. Composting in organic farming. Composting is the biological decomposition of organic matter into a stable humus-like substance. It converts organic waste into nutrient-rich compost, which can be used as a natural fertilizer. Composting improves soil structure, water holding capacity, and nutrient availability. Benefits of composting. Composting reduces the volume of waste and prevents methane emissions from landfilling. It enhances soil fertility by supplying organic matter, beneficial microorganisms and essential nutrients. Compost amended soils have a better moisture retention, reducing irrigation requirements. Anaerobic digestion in organic farming. Anaerobic digestion is a process that converts organic waste into biogas and digests it. Biogas can be used for energy generation or heating purposes. Digested and nutrient-rich product can be used as a soil amendment oil or liquid fertilizer. Benefits of organic anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion reduces methane emissions from the organic waste decomposition. It produces renewable energy, contributing to a clean and sustainable energy mix. Digestate improves soil fertility, enhances nutrient cycling and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. Vermiculture in organic farming. Vermiculture is the process of using earthworms to decompose organic waste into vermicompost. Earthworms enhances the decomposition process and produce nutrient-rich costing. Vermiculture is a valuable soil amendment that improves soil structure and nutrient availability. Government support and regulations. Many governments provide support and incentive for organic farming and waste management practices. Regulations ensure compliance with organic standards and promote sustainability waste management. Government initiatives can include financial assistance, training programs and research support. Best practices in organic waste management. Regular monitoring and assessment of the waste streams and management practices. Implementing efficiency, composting, anaerobic digestion and vermiculture systems. Collaboration with local communities, waste management agencies and research institutions. Case studies: successful organic waste management highlight specific examples of firms or projects that have effectively managed organic waste. Showcases the benefit achieved through their waste management practices. Emphasize the learnings and inspiration that can be drawn from these case studies. Conclusion: organic farming and waste management go to hand in hand, promoting sustainability and environmental stewardship. Effective waste management in organic farming conserves resource, enhance soil health and reduce pollution risks. With proper practices and support, organic waste can be turned into valuable resources for a circular and sustainable agriculture system. Thank you.